2:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated possible flash flooding from slow-moving heavy thunderstorms over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Green Spring and Woodland Beach. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. At 2 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was cloudy.